Hello! We are going to read Trapped by the Ice again because we are going to finish our story. I hope you were kept on the edge of your seat yesterday and didn't resist and stopped reading on page 223. Were you able to stop? I hope so. That means when you read it today, you will get the conclusion of what happened in Trapped by the Ice. So today we're going to finish reading the story and then we're going to answer some comprehension questions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the comprehension questions on this slide. If you would prefer me to read aloud Trapped by the Ice, I will record it separately, and so then it's not on this one. So it will be a special YouTube that just says it's a Trapped by the Ice teacher read aloud. Okay, so your first job is to read Trapped by the Ice. Finish the story, and then you're going to answer some comprehension questions. So I'm going to pause it here because I don't want to go over the questions before you read, because that could spill the beans on some of the events, and you don't want that to happen. So I'm going to pause it here. Have fun reading. Okay guys, welcome back to day 2. I hope you finished reading Trapped by the Ice, and I hope you found it to be quite exciting, and I hope you were on the edge of your seat the whole time you were reading and enjoying yourself. So now we're going to answer these questions. You're going to either write them down on a piece of paper or make the academic choice and type it out in your iPad. So your academic choice is to either write it out or type it on your iPad, because I know we have different preferences about how we like to do things. So our learning target is ask and answer questions, and so we're going to answer these comprehension questions. 1, how does the author tell you that the men eat penguins and seals? How do you know that? What is said in the story? Number 2, how is Tom like a penguin to the seal leopard? Number 3, what prevents the men from sleeping well? Number 4, explain in detail how the men feel when they see Elephant Island. Why? Number 5, what do you think are the challenges of living in the dark and cramped hut? Use text evidence to help explain your thinking. Number 6, why does the author choose to end the story where he does? Use the text to support your thinking. These questions require a lot of thought, and make sure when you're answering your questions that you state them in complete sentences. And it's always a really good idea to restate the question in your answer. For instance, number 1, how does the author tell you that the men eat penguins and seals? You would say, the author tells us that the men eat penguins and seals because, and then you could say your thinking. And you know what? If you really want to take it up a notch, you might say, I found this information on page, and then fill that in. So please submit these questions and answers. You don't have to rewrite the questions, just list it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just submit them to Schoology when you're finished, and your teacher will check them out. Thanks. Have a good day.